Okay. There's a new skin straight up and it looks so scary in the little thing. Wonder if you can play as it. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Can you play as it? No, you cannot, that's what I thought. It's pretty big. The name is Puppet Piggy. So first we're just going to have a look at it. Circle skins is called every time. Yep. Look how big it is! Puppet Piggy! The piggy is small, the actual puppet, I can't jump. There we go. I think I might get disconnected again. But anyway, this is requested. Piggy boss character. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna be kicked out of the. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to rejoin. Wait, what? The hand lifts up. So how do you release this thing?
Look at that, yeah.
I just gotta rejoin. So yeah, something's bugged with the game. That was funny. So you got straight into the game and it bugged already.
I don't think I like for Mommy and tell what the game is. I like to see the character. The character says, and it's mental. Yeah, Mr. Boo.
We definitely can't play it. We can still jump. Alright, now yeah, we should be careful there. It is. Whoa, what? Is that supposed to be happening? He's getting ripped out. Walking animation. Killing animation, I thought. Very. Oh, they haven't done. Wait, what? Okay, that was weird. Then it just popped up.
Go to the next
So that's a
one.
stunned animation. This boss does not have jumping or falling animation, as he has wheels. Okay, so that doesn't really make sense, but look at this puppet boss. So I think we should go into private mode and see what it looks like. Chasing after us. This does really quick, like that, snap, boom. Very quick. Okay. So don't forget, this game will be linked in the description. I always do that. Change walk speed. Oh, one. Oh my. It actually just changed your walk speed. Okay. Anyway. Oh, I got killed by the thing. Anyway, let's just do 100. Oh, I made it.
Oh, no.
100. Let's just make it 100. That's pretty. Again, oh my god! That is... Okay. Let's see this. So is this like to get away? Look, that's low-key scary. Imagine a piggy this fast is like it's coming straight after you. Oh my god, it even beats this. Like this is supposed to drag you back down. Alright, let's see where it is. Wait, where did it go? It's really scary because it's black. It's black, so it's going to camouflage in with everything. Huh? Where is it? Oh, I saw it. It's right there. Well, how did it get there? Let's just have a nice sit down. I wonder how... Actually, no, because we bugged it. We bugged it yesterday's one. We tried to... George sat down, but we couldn't get him sat back up. I tried to kill him with mine. Oh, how close was that? Let's see the killing animation. Wait, what does he have on his feet? Oh, hold on, I just got up into this in. What does he have on his feet? Look what he has on his feet. They're little elf boots, but instead, like, they have spikes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's make sure the hand has 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. So it's not a pig that's It's not a pig It's not a pig that is holding. It's not a pig that's holding the
Yeah. I want to go tell Mummy that there's this brownie skin.
I wonder what happens if we would it just. I'm gonna spam zeros. Alright, let's just let us stuff it out. Okay, so I moved once and I fell off the map, so I'm all the way over. Alright, so what happens if we enter this? Okay, very dangerous, don't do this.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm off the map. I didn't even move a slight bit. This is it. Ready? So I'm just walking normally here. And then when we insert this... Wait, let's try... I think I just broke the game. Let's just walk this way, okay? Let's enter it. Well, I go through the wall. I actually... Oh, no. Okay, so don't type in 100 million zeros. Pin that much. No.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Let's see how fast we can do this. Okay, this is pretty cool. Walk speed. No. Oh, the keycard fixes it. Keycard. I'm like, keycard. That's actually quite funny. Keycard. Get the keycard. Come on, get keycard. Whoa. Wait, what? What? I just teleported Let's delete all of this. Let's do 1.
Hello.
Oh, wait, I can't do 1 right now. I'm going to have to reset. No, you can't reset your character in the keycard. Keycard sorts out everything. Keycard. And if we go... Thank you. Bzz. Oh my God. Piggy, stay with me, Piggy. Piggy, stay with me. Look, is it just me? Is this my eyesight? Or, boy, Piggy, stay with me. Stay with me, Piggy. Piggy, stay with me. I think I'm going to have to leave and rejoin. Let me rejoin. Did you see his whole body was just smushed? Anyway, I think I'll wrap it for this video. That's pretty spiteful. It's killing animation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave it a fat like, a subscribe button. Change that subscribe button to grey so you make it sad because you hit it and it hurts. Stay safe, sit home, and hit our bell. Taking this. Yeah, I'm Buff Piggy. And well, stay safe. Boom.